Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards trend on this one continues after what was a very respectable day on Friday. Things just completely rolled back over and gave back all those gains. So back to the drawing board, and really just reemphasizes the fact that from an overarching standpoint, that main area of resistance still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which actually, let me squeeze this down to illustrate that a little bit more. But you can see that the price, has just really struggled whenever it's gotten up around that area. Yeah, there's been a couple times where the price has, gotten up above it, but the problem is then the momentum just disappears. So, right here is one example, and then you can see again right there another example from back on Friday, and then you can see, right there hesitated around it. But point here being that moving forward, I would be very, very skeptical of any sort of upwards price movement unless the price can actually get above and, most importantly, stay above that purple line, which again on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. So to be clear, I'm not saying the price can't make upwards movements. I'm just saying I'd be very skeptical because there is a nice upwards movement, but because it was down below that purple line, rolled back over. Again, nice upwards movement, but rolled back over. Again, nice upwards movement, has rolled back over. So that does not guarantee that every single upwards movement is going to roll back over if only trading were that easy. I'm just saying, I want to get too excited too quickly just because the price maybe starts bouncing the upwards direction. So definitely keep an eye on that purple line there as that main area of resistance. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, next key overarching level now to keep an eye on moving forward. Going to be right down there at the $34 mark. So watch that closely, which now does officially seem to be within striking distance. So we'll see if that ultimately gets tested or not. But if it does, certainly one of those areas that you would want to see hold from the bullish side of things. But yeah, not a good way to start off the week, but let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.